Hi, my name is Ezra Zipanowski and I make videos about archive tools. I was sent episodes of a popular podcast called This Week in Tech by the host of the show, Leo. Naturally, Leo used the RAR format to archive the MP3s. To open them, navigate to the WinRAR file page on easyzip.com. Under Select RAR file to open, click on Browse. Now select the file you wish to unRAR. Click Extract. It will list the contents of the RAR archive. Now let's save one of the episodes of Leo's episodes. Interesting. Very interesting. So much stuff happened in tech this week. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to stay up to date with This Week in Easy Zip.